Good afternoon, one and all. Welcome to the class of Construction Technology. We were doing our revisions. Today we are going to discuss about some of the previous year university question asked from Module 4. First question is, what is pointing, and explain the various types with neat sketches. And the second question is, list the requirements of ideal paint. So these are the two questions asked for 15 marks from the previous year university question paper. We'll be discussing the scheme and the answer key. The first question, what is pointing, and explain the various types, were asked for 9 marks. First of all, we need to define what is pointing. It is asked for 2 marks. The basic definition is technique of repairing mortar joints between bricks or other masonry elements. You need to explain in detail. Then the types of pointing. Explain any 4 types with figures will carry 7 marks. The choice of pointing depends upon the type of masonry, nature of structure, nature of finish desired. These are the 3 criterions which decide the choice of pointing. Based on this, the pointing are flush pointing, cut, weathered or struck pointing, and grooved pointing, V-grooved pointing, tuck pointing, and beaded pointing. Out of the 6, you need to explain any 4 with figure. Thus, you will be getting 7 marks and the 2 marks for definition. Thus, you will be getting 9 marks for the first question. Followed by this, the second one is requirements of ideal paint. It will carry 6 marks. First of all, you need to define what a paint is and write down any 6 points and explain. As it is asked for 6 marks, you just can't list the points. You need to explain. Wearability, covering ability, ease of cleaning, environment friendliness, aesthetic and practical, and cost effectiveness. So these are the various requirements of ideal paints. You need to explain each one, and if you explain 6 points, you will be getting 6 marks very easily. Module 4 is very important. A total of 15 marks you can gain from this module, and the questions are usually asked in 2 parts of 9 mark and 6 mark. You need to write in detail in the specified scheme to get maximum marks from these modules. Thank you for listening to the class. Myself, Chaitra S., Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, SNIT, Adur.